Alright, everyone, Brad back from CloutsnChara.com here to do my personal box.
Alan.
In the game Ultimate 9th Edition. So yeah, let's rock and roll. Once again at the In the Game booth.
There's gonna be no Detroit in this box now.
Yeah.
What are we looking for? Like, what is
He
it?
likes Detroit.
I'm a Detroit fan and box card. You want the middle one? So Crystal wants to open this one, so we'll set that aside.
It's gonna be a Detroit base card, Detroit jersey, and Detroit autograph.
I hope you're right. There you go, pack one.
Your hands are perfect there, man.
There you go.
Love
Tony Esposito. And Bobby Hull, 12 of 24. It's a Hawks pack. And Dominic Hasek, stick rack, 17 of 24. So the wing streak continues. I like it.
Brad's happy already.
Yep. Stick rack of Hasek. Pack 2.
You putting it back in here?
Sure.
Everyone does something different.
Pack 2. Joe
Let's go down on
Sakic.
that, man.
That's not bad. 60 of 90. Joe Nieuwendyk.
Wow,
Stick and auto. 3 of 24. Nice stick swatch. Frank Brimsek, 20 of 24. Numerology, 2 color.
Very cute. 2 colors are out.
Yeah. Vintage swatch. Pack 3.
You can't. If you can read that upside down, you're a better man than I can't read it right side up.
Nicky Lidstrom, 79 of 90. Matt Duchene, 20 of 30, 2 color for my PC. And Red Wings Cornerstones, 24 of 24. Lindsay Delvecchio, Dion, and Datsuk.
Nice.
This box has eyes.
This box was made for me.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what he said before he opened. He said.
And Matt
Yeah,
Duchene.
Two Detroit. Two Detroit
Pack
step back.
Yeah. And Duchene.
Oh yeah, yeah. At the PC pack right there.
Yeah.
I had one guy open, he had 3 autos.
There you go. Johnny Bauer,
Good old lead.
43 of 90. John Tavares, 6 of 19, jersey and auto. 2 color jersey. Nice. Stick rack of Timu Solani, 1 of 24. Wow. And now Crystal's going to open my last pack for me here.
Dun, dun, dun.
No pressure.
The pressure's on.
How good is that? I'm happy.
I haven't got paid yet, Brad. Brad, you haven't paid me yet.
Crystal, sit down. Sit down.
I want one of the 2.
You need Pacquiao is
There you go.
who's going to
Alright, finish big.
do something no one else has ever done. Move up 7 win
Patrick Waugh.
It's already good.
Well, except for one thing. Pacquiao's not.
Ooh, who's that?
Bobby
Bobby
Hull.
Bobby Hull, Stan Mikita, dual auto to 24, and
Oh, there you go.
Ultimate Players, Joe Sakic, 6-piece, 5 of 9.
The Red Wing killer.
Yeah. That was a great box. Now for the redemptions.
From Price himself.
Nope.
He's making
No
sure.
particular order. Jeremy Roenick.
1 of 19. That's not bad.
Joe Sakic.
Sack again, 6 of 19.
already.
Yeah.
Joe Sakic. Different team. Quebec Nordique.
6 of 9.
Red
Now
Wing
that's
coming.
Nice.
Hasek.
6 of 9.
And you can never go wrong. Gordie Howe.
Nice.
Gordie
Dual
Howe.
swatch with a seam.
11 of 19. That is very good.
There you go.
So
Alright.
back
See
with
you guys
more
soon.
Ultimate soon.
CloutsnChara.